Hey, today we are talking about power banks. Here, this one we will check today. 3 of this and all of this. This is my old power banks. Let's check what I don't like in all of them. So we have this one is wireless charging. So it's slow and that's all. It's very slow and my phone will be hot from this. So I don't like it. Next, these DIY projects. I have some cells. I think 80, 65. And so how to use them. And fast made this. I don't like this, how it looks. Yeah, maybe it's -2, but it have old plates for charging, so no power delivery or something fast protocols. So I now don't use them for charging my phone. Here we can see it's too slow. Yeah, 3D printing. This is I use for my light sometimes. Yeah, don't use it much. Here you can see 10,000 milliamps per hour. So this is typical standard, I think, power banks, but it's too heavy and too big for everyday usage in my bag, for example. So move them away. Here we can see 100 watt. So it's powerful, it's fast, but it's too bulky, heavy, and that's all. We need something powerful but not so big. Let's check weight of this power bank. It's half of kilo, this brick. So it's not for everyday usage. Now let's check what we want to see in our power banks, what I want to see. So power, I think it's nice, 18 watts plus. So for example, iPhone 15 Pro Max can get 27 watts in peak. So some short time. Yeah. Then I think it's good if we have Type-C cable inside our power banks. Here you can see a little bit, a little spoiler for future part of the video. But why it's nice? Because you don't need extra additional wire. You can forget it. So Type-C wire. Yep. Some of power banks have only not wire, but Type-C port, I don't know, on side of the power bank, for example. And why it's not good? Because, for example, we are traveling and want to charge phone. So we put it like this. And we should be very careful with this setup, because we can break not only power bank but port of our phone. So we can't simply put it in our bag, for example, because as I said, we can damage our port. Because of this, better if we have wire. So we put wire and we simply put it like always in our bag. Some Type-C ports not foldable like this. So we always should be careful with power bank itself. So we can break this port, or in our bag maybe not have our bag not have enough space for this one. So foldable, yep. And maybe if we have extra simply port, because here we can break it. This port we can break it, but this port it's hard to break. Yeah. So Type-C cable, yes. And maybe foldable Type-C. I think first two is very important, and this is maybe not so important. Then you can see one like a brick, another brick, and very thin power bank. I think this one is better. Why? Because these power banks we are now checking for 5,000 milliamps per hour. So this type inside have 21,700 cells. So it's very durable. In this power bank we have battery something like this, and it's not so durable like this one, because here we have metal shell, metal cylinder, and here we have only thin layer of protection of our chemical reaction. So if we, for example, in our power bank press very hard, I don't know, in bag something, maybe bottle of water, press in the center, it can damage our battery because it's so thin, and we have some problems. These cells you can buy in every store, every vape store maybe. These cells for this power bank. If, for example, after 5 years battery will dead, so it's very hard to find. Every lithium battery, I think 10 years max lifetime. So if we can change it, it's good. So we can write our cells. Two popular type. It's not so important, but better if we have something, some of these cells inside our power bank. Now little intro. First power bank. Nice. Inside you can find something. And our power bank. Yep, second one. Second one, power bank. Nice package. I think best of the all three power banks that I have today. Oh. Good instruction. Yeah. And third one. Oh. Not PD cable, not Type-C, Type-C. Okay. This is I made with it with power bank. So it was new. So first of all, I charged every power bank. Then I checked protocols. No power delivery. No power delivery. This is strange. So one more time, we have power delivery. But not all protocols are there. Okay. This one, thin one. Wow, all protocols, great. Maybe. Check another one. PD, no. One more time. How nice. Everything green. I like it. Great. And wire. With wire, everything near the same. Now I have electric load, and we can check how it works. How many milliamps per hour, for example, battery, or watt hour. And you can see problem after a few seconds. I didn't understand it. And 0% of battery. So what happened? I even charged it one more time. But no, 0%. So something bad with it. And another power bank. Yeah. And let's stay for full battery. And the end, we can see 1%. And 15 watts we have in the end. So not so good. Yeah, not bad. And the thin one. 12 volts. Not bad at start. And after some time, I see 5 volts. So something happened. I tried one more time. And no power delivery. So I reboot everything. I tried everything. but don't see PD. Oh, great. Let's check one more time. 12 volts. And a few seconds and drop down 5 volts. This is bad. This is very bad. Then I opened problem power bank and I checked it. It have very bad cell, 2170. So I change it to my cell and try this power bank with my battery. Good one. And nothing. So in result, from 3 power bank we have only one not bad, because from 20 watts after some time we have only 16 watts. I think it's thermal protection. Yeah, not bad. I don't like this cable that I see it, but everything the other thing is okay about it. This is garbage. This is, I don't know, only 5 volts working good, so it's only for old phone, maybe something like this. Please subscribe, like, comments, and I think this is part 1 of our power bank story. I don't know, maybe 5, not 5, 3 more video will be. So subscribe, guys, girls. Bye.